Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we get to create a spread in my wellness planner, which is Celestial Elegance. I'm just going to tape the pages together and we'll get started. If this is your first time joining, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. And let's get started. So this one will be a Halloween spread. I'm sorry about the shadow. I am filming this at night. The days are so much shorter here in the Midwest now that it is towards the end of fall. So yeah, I am so sorry about that. I'm gonna try to eliminate that next time. Okay, here we go. I'm cutting this witch. I did not pre-cut them, I just printed them. These are images from Etsy. I really love this witch, so I thought I'm gonna make her a focal point in my wellness planner this time. She is quite gorgeous, you guys, and I love her silvery hair. So here we go. I'm gonna just pick her up very gently and place her down. That image is quite big, but look how like beautiful and mysterious she is, right? So there we go. She even has a crow. So yeah, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab my purple, little, not purple, oh my gosh, gray dot pen. And I'm gonna make some dots to create my breakfast, lunch, dinner tracker. And then of course, I'm gonna do the lower four. So Wednesday and Thursday, because they're black, they're gonna be in a sidebar, and I'm okay with that. I'll just remember to keep track in there, and that's okay. So that's what's going to happen. Yeah, she is quite stunning, you guys. Okay. And that's as far as my plan went. I did not really think about what to do outside of that girl. I saw her and I was like, okay, she's the focal point, done. I still need a couple things around her, so I'm gonna pull a couple books and see what I can come up with. So here we go. Yeah, she is quite gorgeous, you guys. I can't get enough of her. I pulled one of the Easter case books. It's like a countess book, so I'm gonna be using that. There's a lot of different elements with red, like bloody roses, and those are beautiful and very Halloween spooky like, so that's what I'm gonna be using in here. I'm even going to add this rose on a thorn with black leaves. I think that's like very fitting, so let's see how that goes. Look at that gazebo with like that black drip. It's beautiful. It is quite beautiful. And then I'm gonna add this column right there. Yeah, there's no rhyme or reason of why I'm doing things. I'm just doing them because I feel like it. So I'm gonna remove the tape, cut the girl on the page, and then we're gonna go ahead and punch to make sure I can put this back in my planner. So yeah, that is basically what I'm doing right now. And yeah, it's gonna be gorgeous. Okay. The moment of truth, you guys. Okay, that went. Does anybody else's punch get stuck? I only have like one like little of those teeth that get stuck over and over. And then when that happens, I have to take like a scissor or something and like lift it up. But yeah, this is our spread for the week of the 7th through the 13th. And I'm gonna go ahead and get into my meal plan. So then we have stuff to eat, right? That's a good idea, I think. So I'm gonna fix that. And let's get going. So this one will be, I'll be using Easter case stickers. I don't know which ones yet. I pulled quite a few. I think I'm gonna use the brown notes. It's one of my first books from Easter case. I bought it last fall. I can't believe it's been a year since I've been purchasing from them. But yeah, I really enjoy their stickers. And they have this really cutesy Halloween like pumpkin that's smiling, surrounded with florals. It's harmless, right? So I like my Halloweens like that. I have a witch as well, so it's going to kind of coordinate together. And then we have this witch hat. Look how cute with all the stars. I'm just gonna take my correction tape and remove the ingredients, but look at all of these stickers. I just adore them. Okay. Excuse me. I've been not feeling the greatest. I've been recovering for like weeks now. I've been coughing and coughing, and it's not COVID, but it's also not something fun. So I've been coughing and battling this. So it's like a cold or something. Look at that cat with roses. So stunning as well. And I'm gonna add like this beautiful oil or something. It's something. I don't know what that is. But yeah, sticker wise, I'm done. I'm just gonna go ahead and add my meal, and then we'll see how it looks. So Monday, breakfast is toast. Lunch will be a salad with a wrap. And then for dinner, I'm gonna make a Mexican street corn skillet. I don't know if you guys have ever seen that, but it is quite amazing, at least from the pictures that I've seen. So then we have avocado toast, super simple. I throw some cilantro on there and I'm done. I'm gonna make Irish stew over the weekend too, so I can have that for lunch over the week. And then I'm gonna make a burger bowl. Those are fun as well. Then just plain toast again. I usually do pumpernickel. Then I'm gonna have leftovers. And then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I'll be mostly out because of my conference. And then I come back for dinner and we'll make salmon over rice. Something healthy, because I'm sure my meals during conference will be kind of all over the place. And then I'm gonna make eggs on Saturday. Then we eat snacks for lunch and then tacos for dinner. And then I'm gonna have breakfast egg bake. It's like a casserole, but a little bit different. It's quite tasty. And then snacks again. And then on Sunday, more than likely, we'll be out because we have birthdays. So to celebrate. Okay, so that is all. I'm gonna add a couple more stickers because this looks a little sparse for me. So let me grab that book and see if there's any. Oh, look, florals. Perfect solution. So simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this and make it into this really beautiful spread, because as you guys know, I love my florals in my spreads, and this will soften everything up too, because these look like very like charming and delicate. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and that is it, my loves. I hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you soon for another. Bye.